Yes, Your Honor.
And what was their response?
They also have refused to file charges with regards to these heinous offenses that there is more than enough evidence to not only...
Slow down.
Yes, sir.
Here's what I need you to understand.
Yes, sir.
You cannot prosecute these cases. You would be what we call a prosecuting witness or a witness for the prosecution. The state has to choose whether to pursue these or not. If the state prosecutor will not cooperate, this case is not going to go forward. Let's assume that I allowed you to file these charges.
Okay.
They will not be filed on a warrant as a civilian. Only the police can request, or the prosecutor can request a warrant be issued with the filing of these charges. But let's say we allow you to file them, and you file them. Once they get filed, they are now within the control of the state's attorney. In this case, the Franklin County prosecuting attorney. If they choose not to pursue them, there's nothing you can do. If they choose to dismiss them, the case is over. And I don't necessarily agree with that process, but that's the law.
Yeah.
Like it or not, that's the law. So I need you to understand that. So where do we then go from here?
Sir,
because they can't be prosecuted here anyway. Did you know that?
Yes, sir, but probable cause can be established here, right?
They can't be prosecuted in this court.
Right.
Because they're felonies.
Okay.
So they'd have to be prosecuted in a court of common pleas. And again, if the prosecutor won't agree to assume them and present them to the grand jury to get a felony charge indicted, the case goes nowhere. I don't know if you understand what I just explained.
I do understand, sir.
So what then becomes our objective here? Me and you.
Our objective, Your Honor, is finally getting justice served and honoring my rights under Marcy's law to be heard, for one, and two, to have my rights adhered to. My rights at every stage of this process have been violated grievously, and Monday I'll be filing suit in the United States District Court over this.
That's probably your best shot, rather than this. Let's see what you got here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Betty, you got a minute? So you filed these two complaints, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And are they the same or are they different?
No, sir. They are different complaints. In the first, I have facts supporting. I think it's witness. I think I can only choose three because I didn't have room really to write it down at the bottom left. I think the three I chose on the first one was witness retaliation, the attempted murder, and the kidnapping.
Okay.
And then on the second form, sir, I have aggravated robbery
Gotcha.
and receiving stolen property for both Irby and Hart.
If we can get these files up, I'd like to have the files for them. Okay.
Do they have has it been given a case number?
Well, he just filed them today,
Right,
so they probably haven't been assigned a case number yet.
but that's why they told you it would be 30 minutes before they get up here?
That was the indication, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so they gotta develop files on these.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you return to the hallway.
Yes, sir.
And once we get those, then you and I can revisit our conversation
Sounds good.
and decide where we're gonna go from there.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your time, Your Honor. I
Okay,
appreciate
no
you speaking
problem.
with me, sir.
No problem.
Do it. And I'll be standing by.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
all right.
Duty Judge Green.